You take your dead rag off, put it away.
I have 3 dead rags now.
Do you have any with you?
No.
Well, that doesn't help you. Anybody ready to play?
Is that like the defog?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a break.
Yo! We're getting fucked over here.
I'm gonna take a second.
No, don't come through there. Come through there.
I ran out of ammo. I went through 4 mags in that game. Empty minutes and people not going in. I mean, I put a mag in it. I know. I got the rest of the fucking handle right here.
I'm like, really?
I'm pretty sure I always hit
I
people in
shot
the
the guy
foot.
first.
You guys
turned
watched?
around and then shot.
That'll happen.
I was all the way down there.
We went to the roadway and then we crossed over.
Okay, because I was
We
like,
crossed over too, didn't we?
I got in that you know where that big hollowed out tree is? I was right there.
Oh, you're right. You're farther than we were right in that.
It's for a lot.
Sure you don't need my gun back, buddy? That shit just fucking...
And I was sitting there, I knew it was.
Your spawn kit. I'm like, dude, we're not in flags.
Yeah, I was the spawns were fight.
It's fucking hot.
That felt
You
nice.
don't feel it? Oh, you're a dick.
Well, you're wearing, yeah.
Yeah, you're wearing like nothing.
I'm dressed for the weather.
You're dressed for ticks.
You're wearing a dick protector.
Maybe.
Is the fanny pack uncomfortable?
It's also protecting his crotch, so.
Yeah, I don't get shot in the dick anymore.
Was Paul in there with you?
Yeah, Paul was
Respawn
it.
and get out as fast as you can.
Where the fuck is it?
over by the flag.
Okay, get your shit off, let's go. Oh fuck, they got both of you guys? They probably got it already then.
You know Austin's probably sitting in the bush somewhere with his pistol. I know for somebody to walk past.
Well, he's not helping us get the objective though. He needs to fucking do some work.
Are we gonna go now?
himself running in.
Should I get? Should I go get
He hurt
people?
himself running in? Fuck.
Should I go
Oh,
get
shit.
people?
Go get Paul out of that fucking nut and get him over here.
Should I just say, Paul, get your ass over here when you?
Just go in and physically grab him and walk him out.
What should I say? What we need to do?
We need to go take the oil stick.
Paul, you need to come. We need to go get something. And Tony told me to get you.
That was awesome.
I got him. Tricycle. I'm gonna go
Stop your
ride
dead
it.
rags.
Bike.
Yeah, I really wanted to say something, but I couldn't.
Tony.
I'm like, you were casually strolling out there. I'm like, you were gonna make a problem. It was fine until I'm like, that dude's turning over the flag.
Tony.
I started shooting towards him, and then guy's off to the left. Yep. Simon, get off this thing. We gotta get her.
I'm waiting for Paul.
It's blank on me. I can call it.
We're waiting for a wild Paul. Paul's here.
Do you have the like the app to help you find your phone? No.
I might have fun with my phone. You know what? I'm just gonna walk it now. I don't wanna.
Tony, check my PSI on my tank.
I'll just call myself and walk where I was.
You're at 80 psi on the rag, and on the tank you are in the yellow. You're probably at about 500.
I gotta go get this.
Here,
I'm no good.
you ditch the rifle.
Springer?
No, it's getting
That is about as good of a sniper pistol as you're gonna find.
And where do you expect me to leave this?
On the table.
So I could get a Nerf gun. I could.
I
leave
now have a 50-foot minimum engagement distance no matter what.
this. Wait, that's 50 feet. Why?
DMR.
That's considered a DMR. Can you bang kill within 50 feet? Can you bang kill within 50 feet?
Huh?
Can you bang kill within 50 feet?
No. I am a 50-foot and out gun.
Can you bang kill within 10 feet?
No.
You can't bang kill.
I cannot bang kill with this rifle. That's the pink tape.
You can bang kill now.
If he's running a DMR, he cannot bang kill.
I can now.
They didn't see me.
But I'm not gonna bang kill, I'm gonna shoot. So it's that. Put it in.
You want more darts?
Okay. Nah. If I'm using this, there's some seriously bad shit going on.
Yo, is that green gas or CO2?
It's both. All right, we ready, guys?
It's
Yeah?
metal spring.
All right, let's go get that fucking flag, man.
America.
You could probably push the left, you think?
Actually,
We can go more left than right.
Yeah. Kevin, cut our left with the yellow flag. Yes, they're gonna go watch 50 fit. I don't care.
You all now you can bang kill.
Railroad then go over.
You think so?
Yeah, at least a little farther forward.
All right, yeah, let's cut through here.
Why?
We got guys looking straight at us.
You should.
Right at that tree.
Got one coming up.
Spread out. That guy coming up ours or no?
It looks kind to me.
He's green. He's wearing green. That dude there though. That guy's a little sus. Somebody got scope? Yeah, you got scope. What do you see?
yeah, he's blue. He's blue.
He's blue?
Yep.
Take him.
I'm not gonna do it.
I can reach
I don't see him.
through here. Watch out, Paul. There is one to the left by the tree, too. Not that one. The farther one down in the field. Watch the actual pipeline. There's a bunch of them on there.
Get that.
Push up. What's up? All right, push up. Take the road. Watch the ditch. Yep. Watch your right too, they were in there.
Oh, look at that.
What?
Bunch of prickers.
Oh, motherfucker.
Want me to get them?
Yeah, if you don't mind.
Oh.
Yeah, I got you. Watch to the left of the oil pipeline too. That was full auto. Sounded like it at least.
Alright, I got it.
Get it, Todd, get it. Alright, we're good?
Yeah,
Let's go.
for the most part. There's like a little bit of like debris in it.
Watch your footing in here. You don't want to bust through it. Gotcha. See that thing over here.
In my right shield.
Watch to the south as well, guys. Watch to the south.
You see anyone?
That's kind of. Go to that tree.
What?
Go to that tree.
Yeah.
In front.
Ooh, I can't go through this. What?
Push up. I need you to go in front of me, bud.
Why?
Because I got less range. Or I got more range, but smaller minimum engagement. Go left. Keep going.
Should we keep on going?
Yeah, keep going for it.
Is that friendly?
Use it in front of us.
There you go. I find that kind of hard to believe. Push up.
Way back there? I'm not worried about that.
You got range?